Alright, hey everybody, Hunter 1930s original fan collector, etc. Back with another video, and today here's another fan. This is known as a Emerson Summer Night, also known as the Kathy Ireland Home Summer Night. And I got this fan off of eBay for $39, which is very good deal, honestly, being brand in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see, I just opened it up and I'm going to check if it made it okay. As you can see, open the box. You have your instruction manual for them. Stamp rated. Summer Night 42-inch. Offered in Aura Bronze and Appliance White. And also, if you don't know, Emerson actually became Kathy Ireland Home in 2019. So you get the point what the heck you're seeing here. And I got this mainly because it's a big childhood fan. And here it is inside, brand new in the box. The blade irons, the canopy, the mounting bracket, the down rod itself, the hardware pack, and also the motor itself in the box. I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit so I can It's a little stuck. There we go. And as you can see, it is 100% complete. And yeah, can't wait to test this fan. So yeah, I'll see you in the next part of the video of this fan. So stay tuned with my unboxing of the Emerson / Kathy Ireland Home Summer Night ceiling fan. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and lots more to come.